With the money now, and from the money dear Sophia Madzena, her favorite part of the week. It's Friday, and that, of course, means she's talking entrepreneurship and something very novel as well, Rafiwa. It's about paint manufacturing. I never would have thought to get into a business like that.
That's right.
Yeah.
Neither would I. And you know, you think of big brands that are already household brands, and you don't think you can get into such a saturated market.
Too.
They're very expensive too. But there was one brave one who chose to go into that. So venturing into entrepreneurship is tough, but starting a business in a sector that's not only established household brands, but also facing some economic headwinds can only be for the brave. I'm joined by one such entrepreneur. Rodney Maduwa founded a specialist paint manufacturing company that serves commercial, industrial and public needs for quality paint. And he joins me now to share his story. Rodney, many thanks for your time this evening. You've just heard us a little bit surprised, perhaps impressed by the fact that you would choose to get into the paint business. Why?
Okay, thank you so much, Rafiwa, and also greetings to the viewers at home. And the thing that led me to start my paint manufacturing business, because when I went, I did a BSc in chemistry and biochemistry, and then after that I furthered my studies and did my honors in chemistry, but mostly focusing on the polymer chemistry. And after that I was fortunate to go and work in the automotive industry. I went and worked for Nissan South Africa. I was a paint engineer there. I went and worked for BMW, the company that is associated with BMW, and then I was a paint specialist there. But during those years, and then I've been learning so much about paint, and then in 2013, that's when then I founded my own manufacturing company.
Yeah, and then, I mean, you say you've been in business for about 6 years.
Yes.
Talk us through some of the challenges that you've had to face in terms of establishing the business and getting good business. Actually,
when we started, I think it was not easy at all, because actually I still remember when I started it, I've been working in a structure made of corrugated iron, like small like a shack. I've been working there for some time, but recently, because and then I've been patient about the business, and also I also had a very good team, and also through hard working, that's when then I was able to go up, because currently and then I have a bigger factory now. And then I currently have around 28 people that are working. Yes, that have been employed. And also, when I'm busy manufacturing the paint, the thing that keep me going is the people that I see they smile, especially because my guys, they normally get paid every Friday. But I see there are a lot of people that they are dependent on many people, like they've depended like in their family. But on Friday, when they get their paycheck, and then it makes me happy because I can see that I'm contributing to the community. Yes.
Yeah, that's very, very inspiring, truly. Let's talk about one of the other challenges that entrepreneurship always face, and I'm sure that you did too. The issues of funding and really the regulatory environment in terms of getting into the marketplace. How were you able to secure the funding to move from a shack to a factory in Pretoria?
Actually, for me, it was very difficult, because for me also, and then I went and knocked at different doors when then I wanted people to come and fund me. But it was difficult. I still remember I went to the NYDA, I went to the IDC, I went to all those organizations that they fund youth business. But all those doors, they have been locked. And also when they were locked, and then I didn't say that I'm going to sit down and do nothing. But also myself, what I did is that I had a 20-year plan, like on my life. The time when I finished my degree, I had a 20-year plan. And then that 20-year plan, it was made into four quarters. And then that's led me so that I can be able to focus on my business. And also in terms of funding, what I did is that I've used my own money. As soon as I got a permanent job, that's when then I went to the bank and then got a loan and then started to buy the equipment and everything. But also when I went to all those government initiatives that maybe they're supposed to fund us, all the doors, they've been locked. And also then they're telling us that we have to have a show rate. But I don't have a work. Like, how can I get a show rate? My parents are not, you find that maybe their parents, they're not working. There's no one like who can come and be a show rate for me. You see, and then it was very, very difficult. But for me, because I knew.
Quick final question. The business climate, how's the business doing? We're seeing the construction sector not doing very well. Other key industries in manufacturing and the building not doing well in the current economy. How's your business doing?
Actually, my business currently is doing very well. Because currently, as we speak, I think maybe currently we have more than 6 projects that we're busy running. And also in the project, they are going good, and the demand also is very good, because I have also backlog of many customers that they need my paint. Because currently we are running a special paint that we call Gamazine. Everyone they are coming for those paint, and then our Gamazine from the Pro Chemistry paint is the best, and the people, they are always coming and knocking. Yeah, the business from our side is going very, very, very well. And also next year, I'm also planning also to expand more, because currently we have around 28 people, and I think maybe next year the number is going to be doubling, yeah.
Very interesting. Thank you so much for your time. I've been speaking there to Rodney Maduwa, who's the founder of Maduwa Paint World.